Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Amazfit to Strava. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Strava app and you'll be taken to the home screen. From there, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. Once you're on your profile page, go to the top right corner and tap on the gear icon to open the settings. Inside the settings menu, you'll see options such as connect an app or device or manage apps and devices. Tap on one of these to proceed. From here, you'll be able to connect Strava to other services or devices like health, Garmin, a smartwatch, or connect to a new device, tap on this, here. You can connect to any of these platforms if you want. Simply select the one you want to connect, then log in to the account associated with that service. After signing in, it will automatically link and sync your data with Strava. If your device or service isn't listed, you can tap on the option that says you have a different one and follow the steps provided to connect it manually. And that's it. So that's basically how you can connect Amazfit to Strava. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.